Today we are going to see how to compare numbers. Before that, let us know what is the meaning of compare. We compare to find the similarities or difference. To compare means to examine the difference between numbers, quantities or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another number. Can you read the words displaying on screen? Yes, it is greater than, less than and equal to. Do you know what these words mean? We will be using greater than, less than and equal to symbols to compare numbers. Greater than symbol is used when the first number is bigger than the second number. Less than symbol is used when the first number is smaller than the second number. Equal to symbol is used when both the numbers are equal. To compare any two numbers, count the number of digits in both the numbers. The number having more digits is greater. Let us see this with example. Here, library 1 have 867 books and library 2 has 1867 books. Here, the number 867 has 3 digits and the number 1867 has 4 digits. Therefore, the number with more digits is greater. That is, 867 is smaller than 1867. If the numbers have the same number of digits, then compare the digit at the highest place. If these two digits are same, then compare the digit in the next highest place, and so on. Let us see this with an example. Compare the height of two trees. Which one is taller? Here tree 1 is 400 cm and tree 2 is 450 cm tall. Both 400 and 450 are 3-digit number. Compare the digits starting from the digit with the highest place value. Here, what is the highest place value? Yes, it is hundreds place. We see that the digit at the hundreds place are same. So, compare the digit at the tens place. Here, 0 is less than 5. Hence, 400 is smaller than 450. Thus, tree 2 is taller than tree 1. Let us see one more example. Compare 3263 and 3271. Both 3263 and 3271 have the same number of digits. Both numbers have 3 in their thousands place and 2 in their hundreds place. So, compare the digit at the tens place. That is 7 greater than 6. Hence, 3271 is greater than 3263 or 3263 is smaller than 3271. Now let's see what is ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the given numbers from smallest to the largest. It is also called increasing order. Now let's see this with an example. First, we arrange the given numbers in place value chart as shown. On comparing the digit at the thousands place, you can see all the 4 numbers have 3. So, we have to compare the digit at the hundreds place. You would notice 6 is smaller than 8 and 8 is smaller than 9. 6 is the smallest digit comparing with 8 and 9. So, 3698 is the smallest number. Now we have to compare the remaining three numbers. On comparing the digit at hundreds place, you would notice 8 is smaller than 9. There are two numbers with 8 digit at the hundreds place. So now start comparing the digit at the tens place of 3896 and 3869. We notice that 6 is smaller than 9. Therefore, 3869 is smaller than 3896. So, 3869 is the second smaller number. Now let's compare the remaining two numbers. Here 8 is smaller than 9. So the third number is 3896 and the last one is 3980. Now let's see what is descending order. What do you mean by descending order? When we arrange the numbers from largest to the smallest, we call it as descending order. It is also called as decreasing order. Now let's see this with an example. Look at the four numbers here. First, we arrange the given numbers in place value chart as shown. On comparing the digit at the thousands place, you can notice that 8 is greater than 7 and 7 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So, 8886 is the greatest number. Then 7799 is the second greater number. Then 6669 is the third greater number. And the last one is 5894. Now let's see one more example. So first we arrange the given number in place value chart as shown. On comparing the digit at the thousands place, you can see all the four numbers have 5. So we have to compare the digit at the hundreds place. You would notice 9 is greater than 8 and 8 is greater than 6. There are two numbers with digit 9 at the hundreds place. So now start comparing the digits at the tens place of 5937 and 5973. Here 7 is greater than 3. So 5973 is the greatest number and 5937 is the second greater number. Now we have to compare the remaining two numbers. On comparing the digit at the hundreds place, you would notice 8 is greater than 6. The third largest number is 5870 and the last one is 5639. I will give you some assignment problem related to this topics. Kindly do it and submit it. Thank you. Have a nice day.